is the worry of viral infections. Health officials say they're seeing COVID-19, RSV, and flu numbers starting to increase earlier than usual. Roxana Leah shares how families are planning to celebrate Thanksgiving safely.
Plans to gather on Thanksgiving are still up in the air for some.
So far, since I'm taking my second booster tomorrow, I'm not sure I'm going to be feeling, so I might just be at home.
Cheryl Heathman is preparing for her fourth COVID vaccine, a booster. She says her family is only having a small gathering after seeing cases increase.
We're seeing a mild increase in COVID transmission. So we were in a bit of a lull, and it's increasing, which is expected because winter's coming on.
What we've noticed this year is that the flu and RSV numbers have started increasing a little earlier than they usually do.
The RSV impact is mostly seen in children, especially in those less than 5 years old. According to the Sacramento County Public Health Dashboard, COVID case numbers spiked following the holidays. Ton Dang, a vaccinated father, says he and his family are planning to gather regardless.
We've come to terms, and if we get it, we get it, and it's not life-threatening. We feel fairly comfortable having folks over.
But health officials say there are actions you can take to guard yourself and your loved ones.
Encourage people to be up to date with all their vaccines, including influenza vaccine for this season, as well as receiving all COVID vaccine doses.
For people that are going to be in crowded places or are traveling, especially using public transportation, flying, it's important to use masks, even though they're voluntary right now.
And if you're feeling sick, they say plain and simple, just stay home and protect others who may be more vulnerable.
It's okay to say no, if you're invited somewhere and you're not feeling well. And I think everybody would understand that, why you won't be able to attend.
Doctors encourage you to watch your symptoms and to not attend a gathering if you do feel sick. Some of the common symptoms for COVID-19, RSV, and flu are fever, runny nose, sore throat, or cough.
Maybe the final message I give you from this podium is that please, for your own safety, for that of your family, get your updated COVID-19 shot as soon as you're eligible.
Dr. Anthony Fauci giving his last update to reporters and the American people from the White House today. He has been a main source of information since the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, but Dr. Fauci is now retiring after more than 50 years.
I'll let other people judge the value or not of my accomplishments, but what I would like people to remember about what I've done is that every day for all of those years, I've given it everything that I have.
And Dr. Fauci also says he has no problem testifying before Congress if Republicans call on him to do so in Washington.